Okay, I have my headlight on, and it looks good. Everything looks like it's all working. So I want to take off some lint there that I want to pull off of there. That lint. I get that lint out of there. Okay, cool. Seems to be working. Okay. Okay. Kind of scary, kind of snaps in like that. All right, so that's the front part. To clean this, my hands are a little. All right. Okay. Okay, so there's these. There's a short screw that goes here. This guy.
Do we
There's
have
the longer one that goes there. Can we have what?
a movie of that? We have lots of
One, two. All right. Let's see. All right. That's good. Now, one of the problems I had last time was getting this bottom one here to like meet up properly, so you got to be careful down here once you put it all back together. So. And there's a bottom screw we got to put on here. Let me see. Obviously go backwards, right? Let's see what we're doing here. Let's go to the front. Got those two. That okay? So it's these two. C. Just gonna lay it back. Get away. these two, this one here. Okay, now it's getting all these guys in the back together. And you can't forget to put this guy in. So let me do scoot back just a little bit. Okie dokie, be back a little bit. Okay, I should have videotaped this, but this went off. You put this lower part in first, kind of get it in there, and then you go in, it'll snap in. Pretty straightforward. Not taking it off is kind of difficult because I want you to pull back and up, and that's, you know, so. When the machine hasn't been taken apart for a while, it's kind of hard to do that. But all right, so I'm just putting in the screws now. And again on this, I go counterclockwise first. And you can barely hear that. Oh, there you go. You can surely feel it when the threads line up. Come on. Yeah, I felt it on that one. It's not as loud as when it's going into metal. There you go. And then just make sure all the seams and everything are lining up properly up here. Yeah, they seem to be lining up real nice. Okay. Just get two more. There we go. One more over here. Okay. I'm not a lefty, I'm just doing it because the camera's on this side, so I'm definitely a right-handed person. And then you don't want to over tighten these. Okay, now I go to the bottom. And you got to be careful when you don't want to set anything down here because you'll crack the screen, and then it's still available, but it's like $280 just for the screen, so you got to be real careful with that. Put these bad boys in. One of them goes right here. And the other one goes right here. Tight. It's tight. It's tight. That's tight. Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna put that back on right there. Okay. And then of course you don't want to have any leftover parts except for the one that you took out. That's the broken one. So, alright. All that so that the auto cutter can work. So now, what I can do is plug her up and hope that I plugged everything back in correctly. And we'll see what will happen here. So let's cross our fingers. I don't know where you're at there. Let me see if I can get you guys in just a little bit closer there. And let's see how this is going to work. Okay, and it's off. There. It's got to be that way. It's there. Okay. I think everything is okay. And some little cleaning that I need to do. Alright, let's see what will happen here. Turn it on. Here we go. Okay. So now this guy can go in here. Goes right there. Okie dokie. That's how that guy goes. Leave this guy. Now we'll go right here. Let's hope that it'll. There you go. And snap right in there. And I want to say this guy goes in down here, right there. And this bad boy goes in right here. Okay. And this guy goes right here. me. I'm gonna stop there. Okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I remember one time my mother was sewing something and I don't know. I distracted her at home and she
No, that's
put her finger into the. Yeah.
How much do you want me to sew?
Well, I just want to see if the cutter's going to work.
Oh, I didn't know that's what you wanted to see.
Yeah.
I was chain stitching everything.
Well, did it work?
Cut it. And try another
I'll
one.
try another one and see. Well, that was the whole idea of repairing this thing, is to see if the cutter was going to work. It seemed to work there.
Worked again.
Well, third time's a charm.
Feels like there's two.
Okay, seems like it's a decent fix and it's sewing okay. Alrighty, great. In case y'all were wondering where I got the mini attachments for the vacuum, I think we bought it at the same place in San Antonio, Patty's Sewing Machine or something. I'm sure you can find them online, Amazon and other places, but that's what it is. Alrighty, later.